know how it feels when the walls are breaking loose, when it's